Yeah, we got a 2012 Honda Coupe, changing out the alternator. Got everything unhooked and getting ready to replace with that new one there. Yeah. First, take off this cable here, the main cable. And I took the clutch fan out, and I'm saying, for clearance to come back this way instead of mess with all this over here by this reservoir. No need to do all that. Then you get your lock bracket bolt loose from right here. Make sure that's loosened, and get your long stud bolt out. And then you get your screwdriver of a sort and pull back on it a little bit. Wiggle her up out of that little housing down in there. She'll come right on up out of there. No problem. Move this on over. There she goes. And there she's free to come on out to you. Alright, let's pick that guy up. Gonna pick her up out of there. Slide her this way. Turn her. Turn. Make sure everything's clear. Turn her. You don't want to come out that way. Just bring it out sideways right there. And she's out, guys. She's out. Yes, sir.